Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I am playing with some KSCrafts dies today. I am making a shaker heart globe, and that's what it looks like. It does come with some words. It says love you, but I'm not going to use those words. You know, it's for crafty friends, so usually love you doesn't go. Sometimes it doesn't always go, but anyway, I've already cut out my pieces and I'm actually going to put my acetate on top, but I gotta clean all this glue off the acetate. So just wanted to share that with you. And this is my sequin mix that I just made. I made like a pastel-y, goldish, sparkly mix. Some hearts and stars. All we need are horseshoes, blue diamonds, and something unicorns. Lucky Charms, right? But look at how cute. Look at this mix. So yummy. And I'm going to use this for a few more extra projects that I'm going to be working on. So I wanted to play with this die because as I got it, I didn't get to cut it out. But you guys, it comes with so many, the negative spaces, like they're still so cute, you know. You can use these pieces, make embellishments with them. But for now, let me just clean up my table a little bit. There's other dies that I haven't got to use. I just got this one. So I'm going to use my coffee mugs to make some of that stuff. All right. So I'll come back. I'm not going to waste time cutting on here. But I will make some shakers out of these and turn them probably into embellishments. This is another KSCrafts die. Everybody's had them, used them already. They're shakers. So, and if you don't know, it's January, the month of coffee for our PHA family. And we're crafting with some coffee and lattes and tea and all that good stuff. Boba, everything. All the everythings. So I'll be back and we will finish this project off. Okay guys, I could not do it on camera. It was just a lot of figuring out. So this is what I finished. Oh my gosh, I love this die. Super easy. The only thing I will suggest is use a sturdy cardstock or a thicker cardstock to cut out the outside of the globe, because it's flimsy. So unless you're just going to make it flat, that's fine, it works. But yeah, I don't know, but it's still pretty, especially if you want to make it into a Memorydex card. You want to have something sturdy and then attach the bottom part to a Memorydex, the bottom piece of the Memorydex card. So here it goes. I just put the word cutie from the Valentine words. And the eye has a little heart on there. I used some of my sequin mix from my stash to make a mess. So here's my mix that I made. And I also made other, I cut out my little coffee cups. Super cute. And I'm going to figure out a sentiment for the two of them. I love how full they are. And I used my 5mm foam from craft foam from Michael's. It's super thick. And I just cut it one time. And because the shape is so simple and easy, I was able to pop it out. Not like the letters or the words. It was harder to do. So I used the Creatology foam that I hauled from Michael's. It's a lot thinner. And I just used, yeah, so it's super thin. You can see the difference in the thickness. So this is the Michael's Creatology for the kids. This is the 5mm. And the thickness helps, gives it some dimension. Look at how cute. I love it. And so the mugs, they come with spoons, and I kind of I cut it twice for 1 spoon and just backed it so we don't see the brown cardstock. And these are the cutouts, the negatives from the handle. And I was thinking maybe add this to the, add it to the spoon, change the shape of the spoon, and give it a heart. Or not, you know, just use it a different way. But that is it for today. I'm just going to work on some other projects, and I'll come back and share with you guys in another video. For now, this is what I got. These are all KSCrafts dies. I love it, especially these cups. I only bought the small size. I didn't buy the big one, but these are cute too. Also, to turn into memory decks cards. You could turn the, just use the memory decks die or whatever you could cut out, and then just attach it to the back of the shaker. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh. Anyways, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all on the next video. Bye.